let's get into the leak detection process, the actual meat and potatoes of this, we're coming up to a leak detection. With the Leaktronics reporting app, we have a phone questionnaire, and when you stick to that phone questionnaire and asking the right questions from that phone call, you could A, price it out properly, and B, start diagnosing it before you get there. But remember, always take 50% of what a customer says and throw the rest out of your head. You know, if you ask a husband and wife the same question, how much is it losing in a day? You're gonna get two totally different answers. So again, let's start with the phone call. Let's start with the right questions that we ask and get through it. Has there any construction been done around the pool? Approximate size of the pool? Pool spa combo? Is there a self-cleaning system? Again, by asking all these questions and looking at that checklist, you'll be able to ask the right questions and know what you need to do going forward and moving in with the actual leak detection. One of the questions that we ask on the phone, and sometimes get the wrong answers and sometimes get the wrong answers on purpose from a customer, and it kind of upsets me, is the pool clean and clear? Can we see a main drain? I like to say, can we see a main drain screw? Why? Because then we have detailed sight. And if we can't see a main drain, then we can't see a crack. We can't see a self-cleaning forehead. We can't see something that could be going on the bottom. And it's a waste of time to be out there. A lot of times they'll say, yeah, it's clean and clear, and you get out there and it's not. If it's not, you gotta come back. You can't do a leak detection on something that you can't see.